I'm Evie, a certified integrative nutrition health coach, and I am the founder of Holistically Restored. At Holistically Restored, I work with women who want to regain their health in terms of hormonal balance, nutrition coaching, and thyroid coaching. This all started with my own healing journey that I went through several years ago when I was having really bad gut issues. I'd had bloating and discomfort after every meal. I wasn't sleeping well. I was always sore after working out, and my moods were always up and down. I never had a consistent week of having a good mood. And I also was struggling with hormonal issues in regards to my period health. And so through my own healing journey, I realized that we don't need to live in this world where we are constantly tired, constantly moody, constantly having horrible periods, constantly bloating after every meal. That's not the way life was meant to be lived. And so when I discovered how I can change my life and all the small lifestyle changes that I made, I realized that this is something that I want to help other people achieve too. Because life is not meant to be lived like that. There is another side, and I want to help you get to that point. And so that's why I decided to go become certified through the Institute for Integrative Nutrition and work with people to help them realize that they are in control of their life and that you are not destined to chronically be ill, bloated, have horrible periods, and have anxiety. There is another way, and I'm here to help you achieve that. When people want to work with me, we first start out with an initial consultation. This is a time for you to tell your story and for us to start gathering those puzzle pieces together. After the initial consultation, if we decide this is a great match for you, then we will go ahead and move on with the program. We begin with a 3-month commitment where we are able to really start to set these new routines and these new guidelines for your health. And we look at things such as nutrition, your sleep, your stress, your exercise, and decide, where did this thing happen? When did this start? At what point did these symptoms start to arise in you? And how does that tell me how you got to where you are now? I want to hear your whole story so that we can put those puzzle pieces together to help you get to where you want to be. As your health coach, I am here to guide you and give you resources to be successful in your health coaching program. You are capable of making changes, and you are worthy of living a healthier life. If you're ready to improve your life in a holistic way, then head to www.holisticallyrestored.com and schedule an initial consultation with me, and I look forward to meeting you.